What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video with Let's Talk Coins. Today we are going to be going over my large dollar collection. So if you guys didn't know, there's two different more common types of dollar coins. There's small dollars, which are like the presidential dollars, Sacagawea, Susan B. Anthony dollars, stuff like that. And then there's large dollars, which are Morgan's Peace dollars and Eisenhower dollars. And then there's some others that are older, but mainly the Morgan's Peace dollars and the Eisenhower dollars. So today we're going to be going over all of my Morgan dollars, all of my Peace dollars, and most of my Eisenhower dollars. Not all of them, because I do have quite a bit. But we're just going to hop right into it. You've seen all the Morgan dollars in my Morgan dollar video, and you've seen one of my Peace dollars before, but you haven't seen anything else. So we're just going to go ahead and go like an overview type video and go pretty fast, but still give you some good information. So the 1878 seven tail feathers is up first. So there's 7 tail feathers and there's 8 tail feathers, and then there's the reverse of 78 and reverse of 79 for both. This is going to be the 1878 7 tail feather reverse of 78. So it is one of the more common types. It's got a mintage of 9,759,300. The designer of the Morgan dollar was George Morgan, George T. Morgan to be specific, and they're made out of 90% silver and 10% copper. So they are a nice coin. I do enjoy this one. It got an MS60 by Annex. I do get my coins graded through Annex. If I don't have it, if I have a coin not graded by Annex, it is a coin that I bought somewhere. So I do enjoy this coin. Good detail on the front and back of it, but it is 7 tail feathers. If you look at the tail, you can clearly count that there's 7. It's going to be a reverse of 78. You can tell that because of the arrows. On the reverse of 79, arrows have a slight bend to them. And so that is going to be it for the 1878 7 tail feathers reverse of 78. Next up is the 1889, not as way more common than the 1889 CC, which stands for Carson City. Unfortunately, I don't have an 1889 CC because it is one of the most key dates in the Morgan dollar collection. So still same creator, Morgan, or still same designer, Morgan, George T. Morgan. This coin had a mintage of 19,963,000, so definitely a lot more, about 10 million more than the 1878 I just showed you. Again, has really nice detail, got it graded through Annex, got an MS60, I believe, yep, MS60. Still got the reverse, or no different reverses on this one, so it's just going to be a pretty plain back, okay. It's an 1889, like I said. The 1889 CC is a key date. This one, however, is not. It's a lot more common and a lot easier to find, not as expensive. So that's going to be it for the 1889. Next up, we have an 1886. Here, this 1886 is a very nice coin. I do enjoy it. Not graded. Technically, it's genuine. And it's authenticated, but it is not officially graded, so I personally would probably give it an AU6 or an MS60, maybe an AU58 if I was feeling harsh. 1886, beautiful coin. Mintage of 21,726,000, so the highest mintage out of my Morgan dollars that you guys are going to see today, and just in my Morgan dollars in general, because that's the only ones I have. Next up, we have this coin. This is not a 1922S. It's just on top of the Peace dollar. This coin is going to be an 1896. Beautiful coin. I'd give it an MS60 personally, but it's unholdered because it goes in my typeset, and I just have it out to show you guys. So it's got a mintage of 9,976,000. So it's closer to the 1878 Morgan dollar mintage as well. Now we're getting into the Peace dollars, so I do have some more information on them for you, and then we'll go ahead and get into the Eisenhower dollars. I have them flipped around. So this is a 1922 VAM 8 double tiara. The tiara, the Liberty on the front is wearing is doubled. You have to see it under a microscope, which I don't have, unfortunately. But it is a top 50 VAM graded by PCGS MS63. So I do enjoy this coin. Probably my favorite Peace dollar out of the two that I have. I had more, but I sold some of them just a few weeks ago, so I don't have as much. So this is a very nice coin in my opinion. I do enjoy it. $1 in the back. The reverse is very nice. Good eagle, good detail on the eagle as well. So the mintage on this one is going to be 51,737,000. Now that is just the mintage on the 1922 itself, not the VAM 8 double tiara. So it's made out of 90% silver, 10% copper, just like the Morgan silver dollars. And the designer of the piece dollar is Anthony Francisci, I believe it is pronounced. So if you guys want to look up that cert number, you guys can go ahead and do that. But it is a very nice coin, and I do enjoy it. So next up, we are going to go to the 1922S that I have. Nowhere near as good condition, but I still enjoy this coin very, very much. Not as good condition, as you guys can see, probably not even a good 4 plus some scratches. So it's got about 17,475,000 minted here. So this is going to be a Eisenhower dollars now. This is where we're getting into. So I have some 71s. These are definitely later dates, all made out of clad, except for if you get lucky and find a bicentennial one that's made out of silver. So we're going to start with my 1971. So it's got 17,475,000 minted. So, 47,799,000 minted. So 3 designers for the Eisenhower dollar, or the Ike dollar. One would be Frank Gasparo, then Michael Collins, and James Cooper are the 3 designers of the Ike dollars or Eisenhower dollars. So then we have a 1971 Denver. All of the coins I've showed you so far, other than that piece dollar, have been from Philadelphia. So I have a San Francisco piece dollar, and then I have Denver Ike dollars. 1971 Denver has a mintage of 68,587,424. So a lot more common on the Eisenhower dollars, a lot more minted. Now this one is going to be a 1972 D. This is a beautiful coin in my opinion. One of the most common Eisenhower dollars minted. If you find an Ike dollar, it's most likely going to be a 72D. So it's pretty nice coin, I think. Until I drop it, sorry. Pretty nice coin, I think. Not as much detail, so it's not going to get a very good grade, but I still enjoy the coin. It has a mintage of 113,318,000, so a lot more minted there on that one. So then we're coming over to this one right here. This coin right here is a 1974 S. This coin has a very low mintage. It's in this beautiful case right here and has some really nice yellow toning to it. It's a really, really nice coin. As you guys can see, it almost looks gold. And if you guys saw my video, the coin show video, you guys saw that gold Kennedy half dollar that they were wanting $115 for it just because of the toning. So this is a very nice coin in my opinion. It is still made out of clad, but it looks gold and there's no gold plating on top. It's just toning. So this coin has a mintage of 2,612,568. It is a proof issue, and it actually is one of the most rare Eisenhower dollars in proof condition. So that is a cool find. And then I have 2 76s, a 76D and a 76 Philadelphia. These are bicentennials, and they're both clads. There's 2 different reverses, which I will show you guys. The reverse, if this S had a tail that popped up above the E, it would be a type 1. So these are both going to be type 2s here today. Unfortunately, I don't have any type 1s. This one has a mintage of 82,178,364. So it is more common, and then this one over here has a mintage of 113 million as well. So this is a much more common coin than this one, and then this one also has some beautiful toning on the back and front as well. But with that being said, that's going to wrap up my large dollar collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of an overview of just what I have. I might go a little bit deeper into the Eisenhower dollars and a little bit deeper into some of the piece dollars as well. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing and leaving a comment because it means a lot to me as a YouTuber and a creator, just to know how you guys like my videos, what you think's wrong with them, what you think's right with them, and tell me if you enjoy them. But thanks for watching, guys, and let's talk coins. See ya.